เนี่ยมันตัดก่อนที่เธอจะเอาตรงเนี่ยแต่ถ้าตัวขี้เกียจก็ลงเลย
Okay, once you get in, please write out your name and your number. Okay, write out your name and number over here. Can you find the chat box? Only 2 so far. Anna and Mid Eyes, really? Write down your, please write out your name and your number, okay? Type it in the chat box. Those who got in, please turn on your camera, please. Have to turn on your camera and write down your name and number on the chat box, okay? number 35, please write out your nickname too. Thank you for turning on your camera. Please turn on your camera so I know that you're really there, not your mom trying to study for you, right? Okay, I didn't do the Zoom for you yesterday, right? No Zoom. I forgot. I didn't do any Zoom with you yesterday. So anyways, I'm just gonna give you a review on this lesson, okay, on this lesson. Well, unit 1, because today I just assigned you to do unit 1 quiz. Wait, let me share screen first. Let me share the screen first. Okay, share. Okay, so I have assigned you to do unit 1 quiz in the Google form, but however, this class, I haven't reviewed the unit 1 with you yet. So anyways, let's do unit 1 review. Okay, as all of you have seen this, right? We did this in our classroom as well before we closed down the school. Here is the park where the Incredible team get together to form a team, right? And then this one, it's a poster about a competition. Do you remember that you have to be in Castleford? You know, you can join the competition if you really live in Castleford. And how old you have to be to join the competition? Anyone? How old do you have to be to join the competition? You can unmute the mic and answer me. How old? I'm gonna type. Okay. All right. Do you, well, those who just got in, please write down your nickname and number in the chat box. Okay. If you have write down your nickname and number already, please tell me how old you have to be to join the competition. Can you tell me? No? Can you see this one? It says, where is it? Where's the pen? Yes. Here, you have to be between 9 and 12 years old to be able to join the competition. How old are you? How old are you? Well, if you want to answer me, you just unmute the mic and then talk to me, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna move on. This is the Incredible team. And those are the name of the kids. Ralph Kotecha, Meg Harris, and Ollie Clark. How old is Ralph? Do you know how old is Ralph? No. Do you know how old is Ralph?
11 years old.
Very good. 11 years old. All right. Next. These are the what do we call the vocabularies, if you still remember, right? This is the review, okay? This is the review. So I'm just gonna give you a review for you so you can do it for your unit 1 test today. Okay, you still have time to do it. What? One second. Okay. This one is poster, right? Next one, what is it? What is it? And notice. Okay, and notice. This one, website. This one, whoa, where is it? Comic. Next one is newspaper. This one, magazine. This one, a dictionary. This one is hard because you never seen it and it's kind of hard to pronounce it. So this is encyclopedia. Let me find it. Where is it? Down here. The encyclopedia. This one is the map that put into a book and we call atlas. This is leaflet. And the last one is calendar. Okay. So in the test book unit 1 that not the test book unit 1, the test on unit 1 that I give it to you here. Let me show you this one, unit 1 quiz. It's an open book. You can open your books. You can use any of your book to answer the question. Okay. So here the calendar, this one, and this one I'm gonna skip this. We have done this so many times in classroom already. That is it, right? And then let's go to the story unit 1, lesson 3. Story on unit 1, lesson 3. Where did not the Red Wolf, sorry. Where did the Incredible team has to go to find out the answer? Where did the Incredible team has to go to find out the answer? Those who just got in, please turn on your camera, please. Okay. Where did the Red Wolves and the Incredible team has to go to find out the answer? Do you know? Do you know? Where do they have to go to find the answer? How long is the equator, remember? This is a review of unit 1 because when you have finished, you know, my session, you have to go to your Google Classroom and do this unit 1 quiz. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the review for you here. So can you give me the answers? What place do the Incredible team has to go to find out the answers?
The library.
Yes, they have to go to the library to find out how long is the equator. Did they get the answer? Did they get the answer? Did they get the correct answer? Yes or no? Did they have the correct answer? Yes? No? You can turn on page. What page is it? Page 6 in the class book.
ถ้าของดิเจอร์เป็นเพื่อนเออ
So did they find the answer?
yes.
Yes. Where did they get the answer from?
In the encyclopedia.
Very good, Dide. It's in the encyclopedia, right? They found the answer in the encyclopedia. They cannot find it in the geography CDs because it's gone. They cannot use the computer because the mouse is gone. So they found the answer and they won for these first questions. All right. Next one, I'd like to talk about there was and there were. Okay, there was and there were. 1 second, let me take this up. Try this one. I was trying to explain. Okay. There was and there were for you. Let me see if you, okay. Do you still remember how to use this? There was and there were. Okay. And I will say a swimming pool. Okay. So what do you say? There was or there were?
There was.
Yes,
There was.
there was a swimming pool, right? How about make it a negative form?
There wasn't.
Good. So you say there wasn't a swimming pool. Okay. All right. And next one, I will say there and then students. What do you
Students.
Good.
There weren't.
They were, and take a note, you have to write some for affirmative form, okay, with some. How about if it's come to the negative form, what do you say? Negative forms.
There weren't any students.
Very good, there weren't any students. Okay, so take a closer look over here. They was using there wasn't also using however, if it is there were, they're using some with affirmative form and using any with the negative form. All right, how about questions? Can you make a question for me, please? From this
Any students.
were, right? You have to start with were. Were there, and then we use any students. That's a negative form. Oops, sorry. That's not the negative form. That's a question form. Questions. So questions using any, negative form using any, and affirmative form we using some. Okay. Was, very easy. Was, you just using, you know, all the way. You just have to check the noun after. Check if it's plural or this is plural, right? Plural. That means more than one, right? And this one is singular, means one. Okay, do you understand? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I move on to unit 6? Max Ramey. Okay, Max Ramey. Lesson 6, page, I'm not sure what page. Page 8, right? Page 8. Okay. Do you understand the story? Have you read the story? Well, if you read the story, you'll know who is Max Ramey's friend. Who's her friend? Can you find out the answer?
Linden.
Good. Her name is, no, her friend's name is Lyndon. Okay, Lyndon is a boy. That's great. That's all about it that I want to review it for you, especially this one. You have to remember the structures of there was and there were. Okay. Oops, sorry. I haven't admitted your friends. Your friend just got in here. Those who just got in here, can you please write down your nickname and number? Okay, nickname and number. So far, only Ice, Ton, Adam, Anna, write down their name in the chat box. Please write down your name in the chat box also. Okay, so that's about it for the review. So don't forget, go to your Google Classroom and do the quiz, okay? Do the quiz. And also the other quiz, a concept map. Nobody has turned in any work. This one, unit 1, lesson 8, only 4 of you has turned in. So please turn in your work because it will show me on the timestamps. Let me show you my Google Drive. Not my Drive again. Here. And it will, this is the example of, show you. Here's the example. Once you submit a form to me in Google Form, in Google Classroom, your name will appear here. There'll be your name, your class, and your number. Okay, and here's your work. So I can go check your work. All right. So for example, this one, concept map, only Tang, right? Only Tang has handed to me. The rest, you haven't done anything. So please make sure that you have done this unit 1 quiz. Understand? This will go up to your score. This is almost equally to unit test. All right, but except this one is really easy. You can open your book and answer me. It has 20 questions altogether, and once you submit it, your name will got on here. Okay, your name will be here, and I can check and I can give you a score. Understand? So far, class 511, you barely had me any work. So please do hand me a work. Do you know how to look at this one? Listen and choose the right answer. Only one people turn in, like one person turn in. So please do your work, because it's gonna just show up your name and your number. However, let me say it again. This one, unit 1 quiz, very important. After you finish this session, I want you to study for unit 1 and do the quiz, and then submit it to me. Understand? Do you understand?
Push. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that is it about today. Do you have any questions?
No.
No?
Mama,
Do you have any questions? What do you have to do? You have to go to Google Classroom, okay? Click on these topics, unit 1 quiz, and be careful. Once you have done the quiz, you cannot go back and change it. So you have to check twice before you submit it to me. Understand? I expect everyone to hand it to me. Okay? You must do this. Yes? Okay, is there any questions? Those who just got here, please write out your name and number. Write out your nickname and number. Those who don't have any questions, you feel free to leave the room. But do not forget to do this exercise. Okay, unit 1 quiz. It has altogether 20 scores, 20 points. So please do it. You are allowed to open your book or any resources to help your answers and then submit it to me. Understand? Yes? Okay, if you understand, you can leave the room. Make sure you write your name down and your number. Write down your name and number.
make a big leak.
What is that?
Leak.
If you have any questions, just ask me. If you don't, then you can leave the room and go study on unit 1 and do this unit 1 test for me, please.
Make a beach leak.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna end the session here. I only got, my time is up now. Okay, my time is up, so I have to go. So if you have any questions, just leave me the comments in Google Classroom. I'll try to check it. All right. All right. So good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. I will see you tomorrow at 11:10. Okay, at 11:10. All right. Bye, guys. Bye. Don't forget to do your work.